guys, I'm super excited to share my Craftreat haul, and I have all the most of all, I think all the 3 decoupage sheets. They are super fun to create with and super easy because you already have this printed and you just have to cut it, and if you want to make it 3D, they already have some more sheets into it which you can make 3D out of it. So you guys might have seen my other project using this 3 decoupage sheet. I'll share with you guys. So here is my project, and just look how beautiful this 3D cute foxy looks like. And even this mushrooms. So I have used this one, and it's a number 1 for the birthday theme. So that's how you can use all your 3D decoupage sheets in the projects. Let me share all the designs with you, and all these designs would be listed in my description box below. So let's share one by one.